careful what you do, 'cause God is watching your every move. Hold my hand in the dark street, for if you do, I know that I'll be safe. Even if I'm far away and alone, I can be sure that you'll find me there. This I know. You draw me close for a while, so quiet. You tell me everything. If I forget what you say, then you'd come to me and tell me again. Yes, you'd tell me once again. But what happens when I know it all? Then what should I do after that? What then?
Crimson lights the sky, the birds still asleep. Like a dream, it shines from heaven's safe keep. Children's songs we sung, as soft as the breeze. In this fields, our home, I long for those days. I call out these prayers to the sky, heavy with thought, see your face. I carry these memories inside, thoughts of a soul colored by love. See me grow wings and fly high, passions will die down below. I burn in the basin of fire, watchers look on as they dance in the merciless sky, watching me, watching you. Silent black, the dawn, and time tells its tale. Dark and blood, it flows, the forest receives. Look within the dark, as deep as you dare. There inside you find destruction you seek. I call out these prayers to the sky, heavy with thought, see your face. I carry these memories inside, thoughts of a soul